Welcome to AI Power Lab, where we unleash the full potential of artificial intelligence for entrepreneurs and marketers. I'm Ashley, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to create viral talking AI-generated videos for a faceless channel. Yes, you heard it right. Before we begin, you can find a link to the blog post below the video. In it, you'll be able to copy all the prompts we're using in this tutorial. Step 1. First things first, we need a unique and engaging name and niche for our channel. And guess what? We're going to use AI for that. ChatGPT, an AI language model, can help us brainstorm some fantastic ideas. Just ask it, and voila, you have your channel name and niche. For example, you could ask, as an expert YouTuber and copywriter, I need your help to create a faceless channel on YouTube. My interests are yoga, health, nutrition. Can you find me 5 niches that would be good for me? And then ask for 10 names in the specific niche you choose. Step 2. Now that we have our channel mostly set up, you'll still have to create it on YouTube or TikTok and create some logo and banner. It's time to generate some content. Again, we're going to use ChatGPT. It can compile a list of notable figures within our chosen niche and generate insightful quotes. But why stop at quotes? With ChatGPT, you can also create engaging stories around these figures. Whether it's a fictional narrative featuring these personalities or a retelling of their real-life experiences, these stories can add depth to your videos and keep your audience hooked. Remember, the goal is to create content that not only entertains but also provides value to your audience. For example, you could ask, as an expert YouTuber and copywriter and an expert in yoga and health, can you find me 10 industry leaders, celebrities, or even fictional characters that are relevant to yoga and meditation? And then, thanks, now find me 10 quotes for a specific one. Step 3. Next, we're going to create some stunning images using Midjourney or Leonardo AI. These AI tools allow us to create photorealistic images based on our prompts. The more specific and descriptive your prompt, the better the AI will understand what you're trying to create. If you want to know more about Midjourney, you can download our free ebook, Midjourney Zero to Hero. You'll also get 21 beautiful prompts for free with it. Click on the link below. Alright, as you can see, we got a good image for BKS Iyengar, so let's download it. Step 4. With our images ready, it's time to give them a voice. We're going to use Play HT to generate a realistic voiceover for our AI animated avatar. Just paste your script, choose a voice, or clone yours, then hit Generate, and you have a professional sounding voiceover in no time. Step 5. Next, we're going to bring our images to life using HeyGen. This AI tool can animate our images, making them look like they're talking. Just create a free account, you'll get 2 minutes of free video, upload your image by clicking on Upload Talking Photo, then click on Create Video, choose Portrait Style, click on your photo, then click on Audio Script, upload your voiceover, and click Submit to let HeyGen do its magic. Go grab a coffee and read the latest news in AI on our Twitter account while you wait, and after a few minutes download your video when it's done. Step 6. Now, it's time to put it all together. We're going to use another tool called Invideo to edit our video. We can add music, subtitles, and engaging animation effects to enhance the viewer experience. Go to Create New, Templates. Choose the portrait format on the left column and type quote video story or motivational quote in the search bar. Choose one that inspires you, then let's work in the editor. First, upload your video. Then change the text, add your own music or choose one on Invideo. And click on Export. Go back to reading the latest AI news on our Twitter account for a few minutes.
Yoga does not just change the way we see things, it transforms the person who sees.
Step 7. Finally, we're ready to share our creation with the world. Download your final video and upload it to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. And there you have it, folks. Creating viral talking AI-generated videos for a faceless channel is as simple as that. Remember, the world of AI is continually evolving, offering new opportunities to enhance your content and engage your audience. So, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. If you want to go one step further, join our weekly free newsletter and receive free ebooks about Midjourney and ChatGPT with it. Until next time, bye-bye.